Mr. Rooty's, as the name suggests, super rooty. This top section goes nice and flowy, sets you up nicely for the trail. Got a bit of an awkward bit coming up through here. Real flat left-hander with some sniper roots on the exit that want to take you out like that nearly. Whoa! And then this is where it gets super steep and rooty at the same time. Keeps you on your toes. A couple line choices through here. Bit of a chill bit here to calm yourself before you get into some more roots. Up high, drop down in. And then it hooks back into the bottom of Twisted Sister with some nice flowy jumps again. Into the flowy berms. Couple more jumps to finish.